Shabuze Bafetu Din Tangmu. Otherwise, this is Stanek and MZ, and this is the Big Ass Podcast. Yeah, Bafetu. So this is episode 2, and today we're chilling with Spatawadi Verse, and they came along with Swizzy the Philosopher. We got to chop it up, went to get some drinks, got some food, chilled here nicely, spoke about everything. So yep, check this one out. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Check out the other episodes this week. Before that, peace. That's nice. But again, algorithm.
Yeah.
Algorithm. Yeah. Sponsor aqui.
Yeah.
Yabo, ila mathurane at hope. Social support tudo nabo. Akho support me. Yeah. Hano abasho fethu. Abasho. Sing interview le ichila swinga.
Yeah.
Na braga kwela na biya wana next week atu. Kwela.
Na ke tlo
Wa attempt ka 4.
nna ke tsore ka go lokula.
Oh, what the shop.
Ya kwela straight.
Na ina resource da ireng ka mara.
Sauce ne?
That paper bag.
A just kwela biya straight. Nine. So babo baba.
Na ke tsile spices right, the
Spice.
spices.
Really check it out. I don't know sauce.
Chile nyaka lena ba majwa.
Abasho bana abantu. So, you're trying to be amazing at first ever fit.
Shy 2.
Try
2 ya, 2 full ya sha.
Oh. And you are happy with the
Yeah.
product.
Mina ngijabulile wathi I'm satisfied. Good.
Manje kuzwa kanjani ukuthi usipane no?
Mina siya nama live lapha yabona nabantu levele bayaprove.
Manje kuzwa kanjani ukuthi usipane no bathu bantu?
Sala.
No sala.
La mfethu le sala mfethu ke mtholo ra ntle ke lena wa mbona wa botso la ntja mbona mo industry o tjo la ntja mbona damane ke tjela ja re boletse like early this year buthi no ntanga a re tlhakantshe something re sha collab wa a vele ne re tsena renje gore ringa se rena ebile gona mara ne re gore be re delay wa re palla go thakana ngabo until Roma Cosmos City ama ile nna wa tsa mfeto ke nna motho wa Jozi.
Yeah. Not signed.
Yeah. Ra thaka no aiwa. Ke mfeto le rona ba o recognize each other. And then he reached out.
What recognize the track FM?
I'm not sure yeah. Ngoba mina ngibone vele seka ngitext.
When I hit track obona ukuthi le pushile yingoma abantu abayi frustanela.
Yabona this year ngathi uwanzeba. Yeah. Because le have pushile nje yabo.
Manje bonke mfethu abo ama artist wama company into ngirecognize le bane intro. Ayo. Papa ino kwamfana. Yeah. Itsini yakho mfethu.
Mpiedi Veskemang. Ha, Mpiedi Veskemang. Spata boy mover. Yeah, get the trigger puller. Spata boy mover. Yes, yeah, boy. Haha. Spata mpia. Yimloy.
So le kama le this pattern spell beva.
Le kama nja shuti libuya vele from Ekas Saplomekas Alexander yabo. Because na go leji Alexander and then Limpopo ki le vele on tshwara sheti ki le khroto yabo. Mara ki sha ke va taba tja diskela yabo. Then libitso leo ne ke ne le lona before even ke thomo opela yabo. And the kare ke thomo betha di track. Karai man. Haha, spa champia. Yabo. Ya vele yangena ya plome ahla. Kara ke nna spa.
So ngabitsa madura ka tekitsa utura.
Aga time. Banzeba ke le move ke le dura. Mfana sa le dura sa le move kana.
But I want to get phone again. But I want to not something like I want to.
No.
When I used to do the podcast, even I don't put that and do that.
Oh, hey, blow man fit.
Wena diyajama bolayo.
Stands for hello. How are you? Huh? I'm doing good, thank you. Okay, how's it? Now my salary has even gone up, man. Kerry, now it has even gone up. Listen, it's BU NGA NE. Yes. Yeah, that's the surname. Yes. Sharp. So do you believe in bargaining? But barring first impressions count. But if first impressions last, do you believe that shit?
Nambiaga, I believe or producer quality one which has sponsor quality every time. And maybe trying to be better than before.
Yeah.
And so every time he releases maybe a song. That's what counts in Jakabo. Because I'm better the first impression, so I'm better.
No, but I get the first impression you gonna the next time you're coping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, first impression. Yeah, how want to. You got
Hey, those are
unalidi barking. Defend our way, and you got saying the sponsor protector. Wabo. No, how should be who rebat work of vessel? Like okare, like tell me the story, what's that moment that made you get the highest recognition?
Nanjagabo. I could think I be as well. Namfito Toma or like ever tell the track. The track is 2022 Jagaga Achudai. First song yaga. Kishapile song one. Yeah, tribal, the compa tribal, and then track like ya trend. Daika slam da pulukwana mthola kuthi abantu ababhave lebangicave khona ora wona lesipart like bethile version ngompia ka khona lwabo and then mina shuthi now atsa re ke nna motho mojwa o ka theletja go shaka o tlo nyoko tseba re ke mangwa go pela mona o ro ka kwa go sha wena nna ka gare o tlo nyoko tseba re ke mangwa go pela mona because nampia ka verse nga se re ke phala everyone or ke bona ka re ke nna top
nka bega le phata ka se loke
ma
wena
umbialo ma
le nathi liphaka
le pack
le paga
Fedi, you also ooze. Or go with Jack, Ngasar Pala everyone.
No, China confidence na linyo na
Mara, Nabaga sing game a paid. Wow. Boy, Mfano dangerous. So, dangerous, Agarano, Utri rhyme skill different, young way out, your attention, Wabo. Naliana, Artwan, Wabo, Carreb. But then in Nabrual, if you were to put me on a song, look on our 12 when our happen, so Gamara game.
You will stand out.
Brag. Kito make a shoro guala nagarago shayo. And that's my chance in Pinjab. No. Kinto Loren Gageteba, now. Yeah.
And that's dope. So most of the artists by Lipiano, history abone hip hop or rap. Is it the same for you?
Yeah, nagi tomile better hip hop over. Yeah, like rap habele. Nag rap Zulu shaka si rap kusha speed mzwako. Yeah, they rap and then like si rap. But then whatever as time goes on, they change habele.
And then when did you decide to sell out?
Pretty environment, because na go bloma ga mo Jews. Negbeta hip hop. but then ka re ke ya Madladleng wa bo na re ke magaeng wa bo ke ya Limpopo ke re ke ya magaeng wa bo because vele ke nna ntwana Jozi wa bo ke ya Madladleng PLK damn fet man batho man wa bona man ba mamela man di track di so wa ngithola and man eksatse be selo ka di track tja bo le kompo le di watwa tsona fedi wa ngone ke di utla ka ma 2018 go sa shapa bo mang wa bo and then man le nna ke na ke bona ra man entle ke di track ke di pusha tja di hip hop a di na motion ka e re entle ke tshware beat tja bona mara ke apply style se ne ke ntse ke supply ke bona re entle ke di tlantsha
so wena o ka re o le kompo kapa o le yo
Ash. Na ke le mover. Yeah, okusha.
Nah, what's your culture, dog? Like you gotta be like, yo, Yazin. When you're riding around.
Ash, le mover mpia go reng. Go renga re. O lo kompolela. Ash ngai bia jwang mpia. O lo kompolele singlela no le ba bona no ba advance ba di cheese boy le cheese girl. Ba mtshwara go re nna ke lo kompolela la underground mpia wa bo. Kore ke thomile ka di tribal
underground
wa ntshwara nna ke thomile ka wa ngwisha kore ke followile culture la bo Maidi Knife wa ngwisha yeah.
And when we upload Melody one, like what's your genre of choice? Like when or who are you? Like when you what the one music? I only sad, I only depressed, I only happy. What's that genre of choice? Good now. This is what I listen to.
Na grata rap music. Yeah, when there's rap, it doesn't matter if genre ke hip hop or what or the compo. When there's rap, I'm gonna listen.
Yeah. Now I feel you. So now tell me, between like most of the compo artists and the piano artists, when they background in hip hop, who do you think has got the better bars between the piano niggas and the compo niggas? Bar for bar. But earring out here, earring. Too short that bia when that lenta tao the share mara kitita batauka butsaka ma. Oh, that's hip hop, but those are the bars from the niggas from piano. So if you could compare the two, who would you say?
Ba piano ba chase abo, but then le compo njaga is ba rap ka le compo is just different njaga because I feel like ba rap go piano njaga. Like sesi jwayele and the man na artist up yabo.
No, if flowing ebona na ngisho ama bars because since when une background in hip hop yazi ukuthi ama bars are like everything. Like when you're comparing bars like kibo mango bona nkare
what's her emotion
abona duka no ngiyabona samfana. No, I'm just showing you.
I'm
gonna have to give it to Balukompo njaga. Yeah. Balukompo njaga. And babe thadi basic njaga wabo. Kore ntshelo reng like nomntwana omncane mana ngayi predict ukuthi makaqeda ukuthi
methu uzothi cat
at the fat yangithola into ezinjalo ama-bars like abasic basaluma foundationing njaka yabo manje le kompo motho wa teng fetu o kgona go shapa like ka ntshong wa man le wena o re blomile o inagane wa tshware hai man this guy ke genius yabo yeah.
And the compo is for genius mara snete gore batho maybe bana ba itse light because wave ya go bona mara ya tla ba feel.
So top 3 are how when I got the bars mo le kompong ke mang like okay sharp yeah top 3 are how I'll do bars ke mang
ya get include
okay top 5 if you can include direct top 5
okay okwamanje ne number 1 go to Fana Sparta
shout out
yeah
okay
and then number 2 go to Falapaka
okay
wabo
overshine
For now. I get preference.
No. I'm asking for more preference in your house. I don't understand and I respect your preference. Okay, no sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, number 3.
Angazi if ngiyayicaba le ntwana le bona le mfana omongwe ke upcoming le tlo motseba o tlo tsena o tlo betho di amasepa wabo ke eno lo reng ke mo fa number 3 ya ka ba re ke Black X yeah Black X 20
ka se ha ke kae o tswa kae
a ke sure o tswa kae but then ke mfana lo reng wa push wabo watla mo tsile wabo because wa tseba fetu Tomong lo mongwe na le different time zone ya gae wabo
yeah
o tsile
yeah so yena okay number 4 ke number 4 yena ne number 3 and then number 4 ke man
okay number 4 guy for tribe
okay
no
oluda
better ke tla fa yena because bro Revele wabo I've been in the studio with him wabo ke a tseba vele gore like ke a tseba re ke mbia wa go sharp I do ba lo no so a ke re wabo since a switch abo wa ntshwara gore o nyoko ba commercial but then ka rap o masepa wabo.
So last week ke ne ke tsere Josh Kane and we had a short debate about who's better Shebe and thingy and Tribe. Now I was more on the Tribe side. Okay, well basically now what I don't do is this. I don't like comparing people in a negative way.
Yeah.
I don't like bashing. You'll never hear me say I don't want the controversial whatever. I want things that are positive. Even the person we're talking about. I don't know. But the conversation is there. So my conversation with him, I was like, I lean more on the Tribe side, and I no Shebe, I'm fine because Shebe sticks to the topic, Shebe whatever. But I was like, that's the chop we had with Roshka last week. So now let's go to number 5, bro.
Number 5, okay, get that Fashe.
Fashe, man. Okay, and
Yeah.
then top 3 vocalists. Not but why it's only heat, but to these guys. These guys, they make a dope song. The guys are called.
Okay. Number 1 vocalist.
Yeah.
Kitwefa Visionary. He's coming.
Okay.
Maybe lamtseba le.
Unomdlalo.
Skantibelela ka Rwanzeba. Monna ga ibe
yeah.
le ele shapang tsa manyalo nyana yabo but then do so.
No, okay, I know. I come say, but just like in scenario. I get it. Yeah, I was like scenario.
Visionary, yeah, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Kimofa number 1.
Okay.
Powerful.
Okay.
Strong. Twere power. Twere matla mpiala.
Fita Nate.
No, I thought I go tell something.
Yeah.
That any year like Obana Visionary overtime. Combo na adla. So with Baba or like it's like when I'm putting the vocal when it comes to the vocalist in it.
Yeah.
I'm like it's not easy.
You need to know the Lecompo sound.
Yeah, because Lecompo fitting like all studies. Because no, ukazama uzwakala ka di flow tja hip hop ka ra Lecompo mara still o tlo kgona go ala okay fine. Umra power man need. Not really move ka
yeah.
Ka daga ma move as ma rap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 2.
Number 2. Kitwefa ntwana yaka Semzen Madura. Ba motse.
Madura.
Yeah.
How take it out?
Yeah. Semzen Madura. Mfanola like just about more.
And he also sings, not just rap. He also sings.
Like he sings. Yeah, he sings.
Okay.
Social media are exposed too much. Yeah, go tshwana le rena mo re lo re ka re a poster ra gono kry di views nyana abo.
Mo be itse re mbetele music video.
Yeah. Re metal yeah. O tlhoka exposure fela but then the track tse di buy. Je lo reng ke di hit jaaka je lo reng vele batho ba ntsibile ka tsona wa ntshware di ntse tse di black. Mfanola ke ene lo reng ompetsetse di chorus and some of them are produced.
Skipper se saka sa represent le Mbopo ne.
Malapi avocado
mango
machangani bag ka time
ke switcha ka masonja
we sharp machangani bag yo a ke ra re nya
Mina
go
masonja
grela
ke dilo tsa go giane, wena ka re giane.
cover ngayemo
ke bo chinga
yabona nasemuva
ngesina masive
batla bona mfethu fela dinyaka ba fethu tla etsa plan fethu bana
na di tsere
O
pa
re was baisha bokae?
50
as a fresh mtho
Mara o tsore apa tshitse go na le barracks ka da.
baraksing
ke brand lo certain brand
Ha tsebe barracks a tshitse. O tshitse jo manje.
ngindilong ba fethu that's why the biggest reason why I want to know the artists is because all the artists I know okay now this is the person to work with, this is the person to collaborate because lena kile kompo je lena ngiyaka o yabona who work with the relevant people and so on
showcase
so number 3 ya how man
no so nya bona female vocalist
awutsingi bo Shandeshi awutsingi bo
yeah okay a ke rwatsa rena mpia ka ke jwang
yeah now but I want your favorite so you don't have
Yeah.
to get baba because ke ba relevant ka paka di hit
yeah wa ebom
ngifuna wazi zakho
abo
Ha bo tsa gore o
A ke ka re motho famous, yabo.
A di bere ke barracks a mme.
na gantsi wabo I'm always going to mention people ba ke spanileng le bona abo I cannot put Shebe over Tribe because I cannot go shall share.
no but
I
then you're being
understand.
biased now I'm saying choose the dope ones not the ones not family
No. Bo, the reason why ke bolela so brag
yeah
is because kore o benefitile ka something le gona o e wisha mara braga ga ba
what have you done for me
I know stones bra mara I know stones nka se re duka la ba no so amphelela mpiaka wa ngwisha re dira
and then I'll drive out ya Durban you go
kiriya wena ke phagamisetsa mang mangae babo my nigga ke ena tshwantse ke ontshwara ke me on the platform abo yeah so I'm always going to mention batho ba le re ke spanile le bona abo
so upbringing ya how nja like when like you touched a bit but where you from like
I'm from I was born in Alexander I was raised in Alexander
via
Alexander go 6th Avenue
okay
yeah da go gafele le matala was there
right
yeah
okay and then
ke plomile ra and then ke goletse da babo
where did you go to school
primary Dr. Knack and then high school Rialorile yabo and then ke kene Rialorile like my 4 years yabo high school and then ka vaya ka Limpopo yabo ka felletsa ka go Limpopo
so dating tadi okay high school you felletsa go Limpopo
yeah
no thoma wetsa bo stout
ntle dan fete be ke tika wa bone ke fela ka pa yabo
no so tsu
obviously dizolo le kwa mfetwa tseba man stage sewe se ka so fetwa yabo
thomile grade man
grade 9 2015 What you learn or skati what you
yo grade 9 standard 7
yeah grade 9 ka 2015 ke mo vele ne tsuba and then they were say ba di buka mfetu ka se di bale ben
2015
na 2015 2000
mfita ka 1 year wow shout out
O go feta ka bane. O feta ba. Ne le tu. No mo feta ka 4 years.
wacho
Na le 2005 fa chula.
ine
Ana
le
ba
maga
ka 2000
ine le maga
fruit man but music is a young man's sport so what retire me
but you go on I'm just getting
Good
started
man.
I'm just getting started yeah
okay so wena ke tse feng dilo tso di entseng go kasi tse let's say wa itse go kasi mfethu neng la utswa neng le tsuba especially ka se tsone bo Alex
na mfethu abo lifestyle wasn't like ya ntsena like that much abo fere tsona ke lo je lo reng o gola di adiega mo kasi but then na azanga no taka irata lifestyle abo na mfethu kwa ke ratela music
azango phamisa nombolo ya go kasi la
nombolo fede ba gona batho ba ile re mfede wa mthola di surrounding ja ka bone le teng but then nna zanka ka wela ka mara bophelo bo
Mara sera go shinteng go shilo o bona le 28
Umsalute.
je o ya choose ke maybe go le go shela ya ngwana ka choose ka rona le ke di go betha di paper go ke re nombolo yona nka no ba ke tse ba mara azanka fahla wana
Yeah.
na tronkong azanka
Mara ga ithola go tronkong obvious.
Yeah. Veti
Goloza samehla bovu.
fit na tronkong ka se braga because life you wabo
Why tronkong why I was at tuna next.
mara je we no ba kuri possibility ya wana nja guys below the 50%.
Happy when on your fan jo.
Ya mane tsela ka
Nyoba sorry for I get like bula fan. Ba re nyoba di dancer nyoba di fan. So yeah. Eba fet. We research.
wa thoma chu
Ngakutshela namasosi kufanele isosi.
di sausage we di tagilwa chu maybe go budi je ba tagilwa ba nolelwa
bana tuma
chu ne ba tagilwa chu na mpia na mfetu ka se good scandal ka nna bo because mfetu ke nna mtholo re cautious vele wa ba ka lwetse ile re ke di tuna most of the time
Oh, okay. And then no kutla bare wena fede Mr 9 to 5.
then
Span. Yeah,
yeah
you work. So what do you think? What do you think about let's say?
Spana this year because fede
Yeah.
ke fede just scale last year then this year ka thola span.
So now okay, out of Fedita scale, like what you mean?
Oh, ke graduate last
Late bloomer go high school.
yeah
Or late bloomer go high school.
no vasi teacher le in fact
Apa school na lose feta ka grade 8
Happen of a matric on 26 sometimes. Yeah.
metric go fedike late but then ke fedike ke neng ke 2020
And then what did you study?
Shaile media studies.
Media studies. Oh, so what the PR, what the in. What about
Yeah, the corporate journalism, kore lo je di buy, di marketing,
so
ke ntse buy kore ke complex course abo itshwere lo je di buy ka mo gare wena o itheletse o ka no nagana di TV o nagana di watata.
So you took your major and applied it on your Licom board.
Exact.
That's the thing that got you.
Abo.
Shut up.
Nna ke nna motho bra abo ke calling me abo because le span se lo re ke screen abo se align le lo je ke di studies tše.
No corporate ya ba le ka di goal to le eng ba ba sharp ba stress.
Mfethu span sa ke sona se se o buella le di qualification abo. Ja ke tsona tse o buella mfelo re mara motho o kera mo.
so le kompo ka ra bodro
Yeah.
Straight mpiaga abo.
Bare maybe Tachi was wrong. Maybe the way Tachi took it was wrong. Tachi are ba betho like in a hara boardroom ya go soni. No afetsa o sign ara ba mo botsisa ra hore monna o signileng ba betha are monna nna ke itsa ke kena ra mfethu nna le di chips una le eng ba re ara understand mara o signileng ba re batho ba bane ba ntshwere soft go boardroom ba bona so how important is it when for nka be jwang? Okay, usually the artists ne but since motho analyst 16 to more better music no na 36 go dutse go studio why ha Spania etseng o emetse that big break. How important is it to you hore o be le Spani at least ntwe tla gona go sustain or gona hore ka skipanyana la re shoot a music video mabo? How important is that?
Na bona brag abo ke tsweletse ke ntse ke puditse abo gore music ke tlo tuna ke ntse ke pusha le lo jaaka ka mo maside ngwa ebo brag nka se re ka re ke tuna music and then ka focus on only one abo because you never know bro ka abo and I tsebe re modimo like o bietse ngwabo o ka kra lo rona focus ke mo music en khantsha modimo o nyaka ka mo lo reng wabo ka mo ara lo just scale life ing so wabo so nna I try by all means or I get balance both wabo yeah so music inga so stop wabo no matter what happens and then lelo jaaka tše lo reng ke tša career ya ka ke di gelezeditše le tsona ke tlono make sure ke a di push wabo yeah and ke di tšwetša pele wabo because the plan is to go back to school next year wabo
And study further.
post
grad what tlo etsang?
it's either ke post grad wabo or maybe tsona di-short course tsona tse kimfetho wabo kore mara something related to e ke neng le yona already qualification e ke tshwere mbiaka ape go ya ka nna mbiaka nna ke bona ka ra choose ke same fana choose wabo mashallah ke fihla 30 years ke tla ba ke tshwere di-qualification ja wabo wa yebo and wa tsa re bophelo ba monna bo thoma ka 30 years wa ntshwara.
I'm actually disappointed, bro, because you know the way people and maybe including myself, the way when we picture Likompo, we okay, artist Likompo, Gimuto, so Onahana, so we behave, so we try, so, and then I hear somebody talking like you, I'm like, this is not what I expecting.
Yeah.
I was expecting now hore he jo nagi batla hore ke sa platinum ke kry new gele ke vakilo stoka di crystal wa bona stoke di ndanda
biaka di crystal wa di rasa
di stoke di 10 gram wa bona ke push yeah, so now when somebody's like no actually I just want to go back to school and whatever it shows a different picture. I don't know ukuthi is there any artist Likompo who has ever painted and showed that side of Likompo of my or ke ma mover
wabo bafana ba mu bafana ba moya bathe
no shout out dog. So when how does success look like for you in the Likompo space if the day okay now I've made it, I'm successful, like what would you like to see? So that's what I'm saying, so that one day you can look back, okay, no, those are the things I planned. Am I successful or not? And yeah.
Okay, njaaka wa bona nna success ya ka mara Likompo babo. Expansion bra babo ke ska ba limited phela no like nna like a ke tsebe di pleke tse di ba like ka mgo wa bona le batho ba bangwe ya di ka stadium ba tlo botsa ra Sparta ke mara
Sparta mona
wa mara expansion mpiaka mo ile ro ka ro tsena wa re Sparta ba ro Sparta ba tshwara kore everyone
na ba le mfetsi batho ba mtsebe ba a tla ke mabane ke mmotsa something ke ra tshisi mara wena wa tseba tshizuru famous na mano famous mara yana a tseba I can't really. But come on, when we miss each other, Brafan Minder and Zama Motili. Man is part of on first time of phrase will Mariana, I Mara, for like Mutsuringa, I jumbo. And then like a monitor before it would be a Brafan Minwati.
But if Kanaki working the fellas Paranzaza.
Virtual man. I could have honor a feature and no pillar bright.
This is a device because the feature bright to the whole
now.
to di makompo a se mora para na ke fela Prada
wang thola fit just bona wa tseba Nike
ke nna ba tsa di Polaroid ke le mara
ke le Versace damn
makompo ke makompo regisa
yes
o kremtivanyana wa pholo nyana re paisera kremtivanyana wa pholo 2 months rent ka di shade ka mazaza o dura
wangwisha
yeah
tongolongo tshwantse no dura.
Okay, so or ke expansion
expansion jaka kore ndawo ke tsena ngwabo motho mongwe le mongwe a be le story ka Sparta ke yona ke tla reng ya bluso ke tsene wa yabo.
Yeah, but you know one thing I realized, bro, like the thing, one thing that's important in any genre is the crossover, bro. Like Big Zulu crossover ya high to Akitsi Gavita Maskandi kapa ing MT crossover ya high taking hip hop to Afro pop, whatever. And you don't even have to take it to whatever, but how do we get Likompo to the Eastern Cape? How do we get it to the KZN? How do we get it to Western Cape? How do we get it? You understand?
Yeah.
And it's important. That collaboration is very important because other people don't even want to balcony mix it. Yes, so it. They be like, this thing must just
stay Limpopo.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
So yeah, but let's do this. Let's do that crossover nyana. Sometimes le rona rena lo ba shy.
Yeah.
Go repack the language tsa rona. Re tshaba hore are they going to
But
accept
re-
us? Bo Sparta ba tlo reject.
wabo collab ke tsona tse di important nja gore at least le lona ga mo site ya lona mazulu ele mametse le kompo le a utlo re ke gone le mothuki yo shapa verse ka Zulu abo at least
Yeah.
eba ya khono gona wabo
Yeah.
manje shuthi ayisali limited.
Imagine the compo is giving piano a run for its money, and it's only in 2 provinces. It's also in other provinces, but mainly in 2 provinces. And the more Gauteng, it's mostly Pretoria. You understand? Imagine if Bebati compo mfana, it's nationwide.
Straight.
Imagine, but it would. I think it would overtake piano.
Or le kompo le Pitori fela.
No. I'm saying mostly like when I was.
Ona le Bambiza o etsa Thembisa. Go je wa Thembisa ke le kompo mfa.
Yeah.
And the guy no sharp I wanna from Thembisa o ya ka.
No. What I mean how ne? I mean ukuthi Epitoli. You don't have to name a hood. In Pretoria, you go to Mums. Makompa Paya, you go to Sosha, Makompa Paya, or Silvertini Makompo, you understand? Instead of in a town where we're like, okay, Cosmo Makompa thing, Tembisa Makompa thing, Yabana. So, yeah, I mean like that. Josie complete thing, Josie Compo is alive. So now, yeah, that's what's up. So tell me, dog, before you buy now the Gucci bags for hoes, the BBL, and what are things you like? Okay, wait again. This is the sober you talking to yourself. Like, okay, you need to first do this and that control before you do that, so that you can tell, hore, have you failed? So even one day when you become a superstar, you look back, you be like, yo, I bought all my bitches, this, but yeah, but so what are the things that you wish you could achieve and do for the family before you can do for the streets? Do you like big booty hoes?
I like slender hoes, not big booty. I'm not a fan of big
Flat ass hoes.
Not flat ass.
It's either you big booty or flat ass.
Well, it's even a la no compia.
Yeah.
La mata juice. La no kanya mara single.
Ona nanya wa slender Podesta Maria Podesta.
Yeah. Slender calendar. Maria Podesta. Re tlo zuma ra choose ra pika ra kgetha plaza ga maphepha ke tlo no dispenser ra ba kuisha botlhoko ba bleed ba men's. Mpia. Ka choose. Yeah, slender choose ke sona ke di type ja ka choose bana ba upaka ba.
Okay, so give me those things that you like to do for the family before you do for the streets.
Wabo nanja ka bo. My dream abo go bhaila already la kadlaza nje yabo abo go bhaila already la kadlaza ongithwala and then gore le nabantwana bakithi laba bazemva kwami angithwala nabo bakwazi kuba grand angithwala kahle manje ngiyenzela bona ngoba mina nginancosi no yabo akekho umuntu ongathi ngiyampilela yabo mangithi ngenza izinto ngicabanga already lam nabantwana bakithi yabo yeah already dlaza njaka yabo yeah elori lo ditsa sharp the runner street dinametse runex njaka yabo yeah ne trans ngimbhayele yona yeah bese lapho yabo everything njaka nga focus go lo tshelo rena kenya go dichu ngitshola yeah mara as long already le great nabantwana basekhaya ba great
Bethetsa shebe transfer le ngwana le 40,000.
yeah na kwa metla ya choose nana go raro.
Did you see that video?
Yeah, I saw the video whereby what the talk. But then my corner, I'm feeling was mara maybe.
I know if you got 4 million and you think for content, because that shit is good. It's good for his thing.
Yeah,
maybe it's worth more than Hopatala an influencer 40,000 or I would say campaign.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't blame him.
Yeah,
I would do that shit too, man.
Yeah, my corner.
Just easy.
If now no mphatho the blog before you fanga no uma 40 blog. No. I just think mana tsa kuma jitawa maka ya tshwere ke tlala ya kwa ntla tshizwe.
Suzy,
but the rich will get rich.
Suzy,
lena ba di nyoko le gana.
Suzy, every gig we go to, rega di Hennessy re sa di nweng. So you know how many people do sleep without bread in your streets? I didn't know Hennessy, di mana ngani Hennessy mara rena lo pa ba di botolo, spend ma 5 hours just for content. For content. So I'm saying it's similar. It's almost it's the same shit, my dog. Susie, how to call him? How to call him? Sing content.
a re sa na choice hape. Nyang join.
So all you little company like in prior.
Na mpia ka o bolela nnete a le kompo nna ke bona le felletse bra wa ba.
O shota ka. Na ko fel.
le shota di-agents
Wa bona o ka re a botse le kombo ke bona ka re le shota o ba TV mo gapaya because o checka bo di-channel o braga o no bona bo di-piano bo diwatwatwa bo ke nana gore majita le kombo braga re thoma go betha di-music video man
You told me about share shit music video.
ya mfeta re betha di-music video majita e re ka betha di-music video re tlo dominator mo TV wa bo yeah re tlo dominator njaka and then e tlo ba ntho e nice njaka wa bo because genre ya already njaka e establishitwe ke ntho e phela wa so yeah
Which producers or artists showed you love so far? Those who are known, even if it's a shout out, a like, a refollow, it's a whatever.
King Salah, Hit Boss, yeah, and then yeah, by Lorang ba big for now, wabo.
And then the artist, the producers, will be like the boutique. Even if maybe book a number and then or they followed you and then not extra. And I'm not saying this by expose. I'm saying this so that maybe bonabari Spatalang inbox. Now let me open my inboxes and search for the
Edo valore nga se re ba ile re ba mbetile ka di boutique because ke nna ke reach out to them wabo. And then I get sure message by boni bona wabo and then ba bang like reach out like multiple times.
Yeah, let's talk about those so that they can check out the DMs.
Yeah.
Rishandesh, open your DMs, go room
Karishma whatever singile ka inbox. So yeah.
More WhatsApp.
Facebook because next na contact details no because I get wa bona batho ba mfetike batho ba ile reng ba big so to tshwara yena e tshwara ke motho mongwe wabo o ka tshwara yena like direct no
baby how are you my daughter sorry how long are you staying for as long as you want my baby.
When are you going to come and fetch me?
Later on, I'm busy interviewing Sparta here, so as soon as I'm done with this interview, I'll pull up. Okay, chat later, ne? Sorry. You never rejected call from your daughter. Maybe your son. Maybe your son. Tune him shit, marry your daughter.
Dog, ngwana wa khona bolela so. O dile ngwana o ne la ha menela.
Nah. Hey, bruh. Hey, not just 15 years, my first child was 15. This is my second born.
You was 15 years? This nigga has been fucking girls around maybe 12.
First kid, 15.
Yeah. First kid.
But at 15 years, I was a virgin, my guy.
A virgin. Alex. Not my virgin, Alex. Alex, hey, Alex is either what or retarding kind. Not a bitch. Okay, Pega, talk. In the game, what do you think is more important? Like, what do you think is more important? Connection, marketing, or talent? If you had to choose one, you'd be like, okay, fuck talent. I want the connection. Fuck the connection. I want marketing. Like, what's more important?
I want a talent in Njaka. Is the most important, but it has to be backed up by connection and marketing. They interconnect with each other.
They're super talented artists.
Yeah,
but libo duka. No flopo. Kholega connection, kholega marketing. So I'm talking about those artists. What would you rather be like? Okay, cool. Choose one for yourself. Because now you can have all the artists. The best rapper in the world in South Africa is not making nothing. Well, some people say, bo Stogiti, bo Mang, they're the best rappers in the country. Bars and what. Bo Rizin. Those guys are dope MCs. You understand? But, yeah, talent alone won't get you anywhere. What did MT say? Yeah, this boy raps too much. He must rap and go home and eat his tin fish.
Arbabe commercial.
Yeah, don't rap too much.
Yeah, because in Jagabo sometimes wabo rap too much. You know like you're overwhelmed man. Yeah, go batho ba ile re ba ikušiši. Nna ke rata yona ke mamela.
No, the niggas who don't rap too much. About Flame. They got nice songs, what, but if there's no marketing, there's no connection.
Yeah.
And there are niggas who you don't know. Who niggas who you don't know why they fuck around next to the mic, but they've got the following because of the marketing or the connection.
I think marketing is the most important.
Marketing,
Yeah, but then you have to have talent because like talent is the foundation of everything, Makayo. Why would I even bother listening to you if marketing our strategy, grandmother talent wise?
So you wanna say there are no a successful talentless artists?
Okay, but I'm
No, you don't have to name names. But I'm just saying. But you know there are talentless, useless artists who are successful.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, I understand. So marketing, fuck talent.
And the industry is
Nah, the people look it.
Get the pole.
Ke tshela ke vara daide mare what's about eno hore taba ke ntwe ngwe ya o bontsha hore mfethu o ka ba le guidance so mara you need to do this so that you can I'm told o ye danja.
Yeah.
I'm first start.
I know, I understand. I get you, madam.
Like this pattern ngithi kumuntu mina wathi wamfethu like o lion mfethu kubesi mfethu awufihlile jungle ngivele wa utlwa yabo mara same thing re bolelang ngayo.
Yeah. So let me do this. I'm just gonna give you one name of an artist you know, and you tell me a story about them. Yeah, give us a nice story, an interesting story. Yeah. Troshka My 63.
Yeah.
Quick story, you're not even.
Mfano lo tshwere matla, lo tshwere wave, tshwere motion, talented, blind, aflobe, abo, lyricist, obethalo di dingo ba re ke di-pape, abo. Troshka ke spanile lena since 2022. Yabo. Mfano la like Braga, kore he always stands out karadi kosha wabo o make sure Braga o nyokotse ba re ke manda man wabo because a tshwale di artist tse dingwe Braga o khona be tshela vocal wabo and then abo be tshela writings abo be tshela di-pape wabo and di-pape njaga wabo ka re ga game ya rena ya ma tribal wa mtshwara ya ba tseba re pape ke yona ne ga fisha batho a choose kwa mora wabo mara fele le sa tshwere power ka re wa ba bona go sana le bo there's this guy Spoko 71 wabo tshwere mata le yena wabo ba o betha di kasi tribe wabo so Droshka njaga ke mfano mongwe lo reng talented blind ke ntse nga ibolela.
All right.
Yeah.
Swiss the philosopher.
Swiss.
Yeah.
Duga ke mpiaga choose mpiaga betha di verse mabane re bethile ka moka ke mokula botse ne le first time ke betha le yena mabane wa ngwisha and mpiaga o bolela nnete ke impressed I choose yabo ke impressed blind Braga wa Rixi ke bona ga re nna le ene re ka sticker together wa wisha re tla ja choose re tla change wa wisha yeah aba motse mara ba tlo motse wa etsa talented Braga ke impressed mabane re bethile first song ya rena re ne le King Sala wabo and then re tshwere other female vocalists re tshwere bo Bohlale Tester tshwere bo Queen V wa bo Tapsi so ba tlo e kwa segale e tlo tswa jaka.
Okay. So mpotse ka Bohlale Tester.
Bohlale Tester le ena mabane le mathomo ke betha le ena bo but then yena ke yena mtholo re nke tswela ke nje ke mo ke betha evaluation ya matla mo di social media nja ga wabo o tshwere matla because when there was this other song I think you made the music video.
Okay.
Yeah, ka ke piano track ya teng ya the voice njaga e teng wa bo tshwere flow
Dance moves.
Njaga ngwana like superstar ka wena.
Yeah.
And get shit.
Yeah.
Ke superstar njalo.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Who would you date between yena le Tabs?
Mpiaga watho. O tla mbakela dipolelo. I drop bona ke tla re bakela dipolelo you.
Ka re share la pele.
I tla re bakela dipolelo. Ethe.
Sawasat.
I tla re bakela dipolelo.
All right. So, how much money would you say you need to make your career a success? If Bakari Mano is again, Khonale outing with Astapura and Ari he's interested. How much money would you say you need when personally to make your shit pop?
I can't just like name out the numbers or specific number. Number two, I want a lot of money, bruh. Name
the amount. No, to make your career a success, not to buy a house, not to buy whatever, just to push so that we know what kind of budgets are we looking at.
Yeah. Okay, am I pushing like pusha until it's end?
Yeah.
Like
I wait in 3 months.
In 3 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the niggas who got the cash, and maybe like your shit, but they would not reach out because maybe they think, hey, this thing must be hundreds of millions. Maybe Mogabita figure in Ramos. He think that they can invest. I'm not out here to get it rough, no. They better invest. I'm not out here to get my crazy. You go invest,
Nampiaga or get a negacy because already take it regularly with zero, one wish 0-0. Wisha.
That's zero balance.
Zero balance. Maraga hono make the moves in Piaga. Kebolella get talent. Whatever. Yeah. So Ngano Yaren Agnore close to 100,000. Yeah. Or get like in. It's like straight because we are like limited again. Yeah. I'm not limited by resources. I'm not limited by anything. I can just do whatever the fuck I want. The ideal ring ya tlaga motlhogong ke gone push a wagon le zaka. The collabo jenga di cream because first thing you have to think about if kinyaka King Monad that's 100K. King Monad ga no charge a ke tse bo charge bokae for the collabo but then it got to be more than 20K. I get a negotiator mo. Ke berekisha tšhelete go kreya batho ba ileng ke ya banyana wa ntshwara bo my cards nka ba kreya but then no so ke le so okay I will reach out to my cards
marka 100,000 jo uzothola collab oyi1 uthola music video uthola marketing yana uthola ama outfit ay3
ngeke be yi1
awukhona ukubribe ku channel ngaleyo mali I no ungakhona ukubribe kuyona mase ngiyasho ukuthi keep it 20,000 channel 20,000 MTV 20,000 trace angini manje ufuna high rotation 20,000 yamtsweling or ya ligwala yabona
phela mangizoshana umonata or my cards it's only one song that I need eloreng piaga it will make bo awunore
mara
mina ngina 100,000
unayo
ngiyong disappoint Swiss
I don't go for the banking details.
Guys,
bo ibile ke busha le double mpia ongisha ape mo
Sisi, do you know how much we've spent so far?
Spent on what, guys? Spent on what?
Mfethu bheka siya-investa bheka abo 26 abo bangicabanga basiposta mahala ejo siyapusha siyabribe siyabribe mara motivation motivator abantu benze so sifele siyazibona into ziyadlala la marubona ukuthi le lona siyazizwa sidlala endaweni ilona understand that yabo sabhaya ama equipment senzani
nakuyabona rally village
uyabona mfethu siyabona ukuthi manje sesigijima Joe bheka Joe Joe yabona kusasa phuma statement sami sesari kusasa ngithokile more than le mali othi ayidinga so yonke le mali idliwe ilona ukuzama ukuthi sidwadle yangithanda so I think 100K no but khuphula price sponsor us mami it's 500K 1 meter.
Abe Jago, ungadlala ama-game yasemzini.
No, I'm saying put it out there at the universe. But again, whatever manifestation,
No.
Duga, quite never to.
Manifesting, yeah.
Yeah, well,
No.
put it out there.
Nah. For now, I was staging sekilongo sona because na braga abe aish. Agetse more like nah. Dulo jaga di gano tsoga di change even go sasa. Wantshwara. Like I'm at the point where things can just khasha and then everything changes. At this point already lega bageng impia wabo angifuni ukutshela manga angithola lento lengiyayibona and ngiyayifeel angithola at this point izinto nje mazingathi.
Okay, how bad do you want it, bro?
I want it njalo
You want it?
wabona kurile Mpumalanga le.
Are you desperate to
And
win?
nobody
Are you desperate
will
to
do
win?
that.
Ngasera I'm desperate njalo abo
So the things you wouldn't do
for this shit.
for success.
There's things that I wouldn't do
You
njalo.
wouldn't suck dick for it.
Never njalo awu akhonela
5 minutes.
wampia
5 minutes, honestly.
wampia
Happy Duga are na le
khonela mpia loka bia braga loka bia ma 10 million achu zone lo je dingwa braga nga se kgonwe ishala ike seriti saka braga e ke dia lo je ke nya je shaleng lo
Ah,
ina
na motho tlo tsiye bosithi.
wa tsarawa le ka ba so a choose na
Yazi bathi le tanyani bathi yabona mangithela something lana. Ngisule akusabonakali. Noma
Bantu nje uphumula milo.
Khamela amathanga siyasula. Duga. Khamela amathanga siyasula. Akekho uzobona.
lento shit yazi mina ngenjani tsisinya siyaka braga wonga siya pele ka megwelo reng e tla ka
Okay,
ka wantshwara ka bu ntshwara
Kana go mo batho ba bangwe lo tse di tshodi tshudisa gore batho ba be. Desperate.
Yeah.
Mara
na get desperate I choose.
Shout out, I like that.
Oh,
Dog.
dog, I
Men,
can't
there's
do
nothing more
that
important than
shit,
your
dog.
manhood, dog.
Fit.
Your pride, your ego. That's as a man.
Ah,
That's
mara maybe go
important.
ba desperate to ga ichu. Maybe I got out.
I choose.
Because yeah, ke life and death situation.
Duga.
Kana go- Maybe.
Dog, Duga, you wouldn't suck dick for $10 million.
Nah.
Yeah.
I choose.
Now she's never know it.
No, I'm not saying I would. I'm not saying I would, but a
Yeah.
lot of niggas, every nigga would say they wouldn't. $10 million. How much is $10 million? 200 million rands.
Up in Biaga, sometimes
Akenya ke sharp ngampi ke robela ka plateng brafan mene ke ntse ke zola ke khafola ka di studio ke ntse wana ka mkhono no angus
onganyathi idlozi lakho ngabantu
That's the spirit. I like the spirit.
idlozi lakho linawo liyakusebenzela and wonke umuntu makazala emhlabeni njami khona izinto zakhe abamphathele zona abadwana lezi zakho yangithola regardless it's late or early uzozithola.
Okay, have you ever smashed a fan? Yeah.
Mfethu obvious mfethu mara mpiake do lo ronyo go mpakela dipolelo ge di mo public environment.
No, but what's wrong with smashing fans, guys? Like, what's wrong with smashing fans?
ai wrong
Sometimes you are ke ngitjana
ai wrong ai tele ere go ai wrong brafan me apo ka kra lore ai lo jale wa kra lore nna soulmate ya ka ke fan ya
Yeah.
and the soulmate we ta in a form of fan
Yeah.
wa ngusho jwa
maro right mpeju yabo because
abo botse mara
Lynn, I remember there's this other Han I was dating.
What happens when you fall off, though?
The problem is that when you fall off, le bona ba tsamaya.
Yeah.
Wa yabo.
They're going through the next trend.
Wa ntshwara. Kore ke batho ba ile reng ba so wabo. The reason why I was telling you about this Han nek jwala le ena njaka and le ena o tlile ko nna ka formula ya gore ke fan o nyaka di picture lo di sorry tsena re exchange di number wa tseba ya WhatsApp re tsena ma re extend.
Because one day, like some other time, I saw another nigga with another fan. I was like, oh, okay, that's a nice fan. And this nigga get artist at the comp. Then the other time I saw this lady with another artist at the comp. I was like, hey, him too. Then this other time I saw this lady with you. I was like,
Hey.
so imagine you found love with a fan now. Ish. Yabo? Yeah, so it's
ai to go we magara we tsule di beef ana ga mana to re tsho di beef a choose le ntse ne
Street actually apa choose ash e do lor banyana le bona choose ka se ba bushishi sometimes mara mpia ka nawo for no wabo girlfriend e le gore ke dira bra ke prefer like mothola ka o sa tsebeng selo ka lo jaaka ja di music wabo o sa no jaaka
which chick more gaming would you be like, yo man, you see wabana o kametsa medi aseng gore nka like o nkametsa medi, this one quality
anja do valor no aga angpegang o ga manjang
ba no celebrity crush
labantwana indaba kimya feature
bona duka
na nya ke celebrity bya no ya maybe ka dikhoneng nka sorry baby
e tla go bakela dipolelo
marawa mabebe za re nka idia marabo nka uvia saka like chance not or nka jona le futhi jolele ni ninga o tla mo podcast le stand o bolela ka di 100,000 wa mo
phela ba mo
di khoneng a wasu ba ka re ba re mama ngoro bya wa ngusher go bolela ka
khandwe no batla media e jole kwena le one
na
mara ke yona ndo bora no so ape wa tsare chiro e jola bra
teng shere jwang ke LTA1
pya
bona go
va
media ga chu
ke na fair no tla believe but ke na fair ke na di one
wabo le nda wabo a go kereng ntsho media lo reng ka re ka phanda no ke lo reng sa kaveng like a fokola ka spacha wa diverse wabo wa sa tsebe re damani wa ngusha o di allo ja di music ka re bya la ke sa tsebe re o tlishike ke fame or o tlishike ke ngwabo or tlishike le rato you never know
because now I believe what Medi is so guy cheater. It's either because of two reasons. You haven't given her a reason to cheat, or she hasn't found the right person to cheat with.
yeah
Because a reason, you can create a reason unknowingly.
ba ko ba khelesa ai ka mkho braya ape ere go botse something o busha bra fan me na ke na re futhi media o tishaile le respect njaka what ai o re me go mo abuse o
Marona o tishaile ka Medi mara o ka khona hore not you personally, I'm saying as a guy. O ka re shaile ka Medi but still with the mistake knowing or a mistake.
na di mistake re di bra fan me na re batho ba street bra fan na re ba kreki braya ka re rapa ba crest ai go di alo ba re ke sini ntwa o kera o tsena ka mo e tswa
Fornication.
One from that
adultery
All right, okay, Doug, please tell me. Have you ever experienced in the game like you feel like mo ki sabotage mo ba mpaizisa whether you figure alone stage your performer you might suspend in or anything, it could be worse, but where you like more experiencing less sabotage firsthand?
ai braga bo e do lo rentwe abo ke tloba honest ka yona bo a ke tsore di artist tse dingwe ile ya batlhagalana bo ke nako tshela ke sa thoma braga bo ke sa no hwetša di gig mola le mola bela bo sikile ka re ke apply ke ngwa mara mola a sore ke like ke crowd e lo reng ntja ka wa ntshware mpaitse sejeda wa boys di artist re dila ga lo ke di ntšhatšu kore kwa ke rile ka re ke namela stage a choose ka betha track ya mathomo ka betha ya bobedi mo le tshwatse ke betha ya bestre braga wa tswela voice nyana tse dingwe kwa fase kwa crowd ba ra ba fologa stage a re ba nyaka re nyaka mangwa bo ba mentiona artist engwe le yone ne tlile performa mo la wa yebo and after that moment njaka man ka moya ka wa ba fast like le performance ha isa ba the way shit you direla because ba o patage wa bo
mara khona le difference between sabotage le house office
whatever
he does stuff as a feelings mo wine because sometimes una lo fitla mfethu welcoming the drinks di teng mo patage whatever and then
maybe
the crowd is just like
what's na ke feel jwa
mara ya khone
ke feel ga re none maybe le di haters nyana kwa because pleke la braga ba mbukile ba tsebo re like ke tlo itlatsa whatever because ga se bitse motho le re nana value pleke ya wa bo gore o boditse ke batho ba bangwe ba ile re ba no mola ba re no bitsa spot but then jigi she go ba le ba bangwe bola ba ra fologa stage a re mnya
mara di haters tsona nna no ba mara ka kana re o tsare dade ne o bolela ya tshuna ala everywhere wa bo le dade biggest I bolela go reng sana lo ro perform go lo la vele batho ba nna re go fela and it was lo tse di khosa ke na lo pleke mo mfuthu ba khono maybe ba buke pleke ya mapiano
Yeah.
or a hip hop club over telecom. Obviously, Bradford me now than a bo magala when I like what sounded different. Like when I was a time in Bradford me, no bushish. About a number of Chile combo, Bradford me no feature like over hip hop, almost a
Maskan.
or what almost like oh magajava to Bradford me.
Market de la
I saw that first start, I saw but to my game, what I look magala, Brian. Oh, no, but Bradford me, dear, like a movie to the playing woman a play a raw one woman I guess Bujuin, Bradford me, so what if my local woman about my gate, Brian. One of them will take two at the Monaria, for 2 a small room. Almost shot. Marilyn,
Okay, dog. Why do you know what happens sometimes? One thing I've realized, especially
Yeah.
you find a guy. Oh my God, Susie. Connecting. Let me just tell this person, man. I'll call you back. Please call me back. And please call me no Kasi Loka 12. I'm in the middle of an interview.
Sure, man.
Okay, cool. So what I was saying is sometimes I watch the Butter Gang, the I Blew It.
Yeah.
You find a guy, dog. This guy, he works at Sasol Garage. Utela petrol. He's focused. He doesn't drink. He's building the house. Control. And this guy, Akrezaga, whether ya low chokapaya. Now this guy just changes. Utlela Spani. Nining Sachoma Atsubadi drugs. That's why you were not doing any of this shit while you're broke. You were focused, control. But now all of a sudden, like you're on drugs. And so, this other guy was like, you know what? We used to go shopping and I would be tired. So we have to go Cresta, meaning we have to go Rustenburg, Kai. And sometimes I feel like, you know, the day is too short. So I needed energy to go shopping. Started doing cat. Motivation now show up, I'm fit. So honestly, don't you ever fear what I hope fame doesn't change me?
Or ke ska wela ka ralo je di rombo di drugs bo di what.
Anything, homophobia or whatever, homosexual, what dilo tse
Nyana je ja bafana ba di tlela ba di gay.
Ustope o respecta.
Like power you tuna anything you tuna.
Ustope o respecta ma old lady, ustope o ipone otherwise nje dilo tse ding besides tsa bo tsa di drugs le bo gay, but just in general nje.
Ash, ya ba e do ba lo rabo. Staging secular mo sona choose logity buyer I get exposed the mojo on I haven't seen the darker side of the industry yet but then I just pray when that moment comes they strategically big or ke ska wela ka re nyana je di son jaaka and remain stay true to myself ska ke rabele braga ke thomo bjalo o tswa lining ya ka bjalo tshwantse ke change dilo jaaka bjale va gore industry yang gapeletsa gore dilo di be so wa ebo bra
ka ibona dark side of the industry I'm talking about dark side of money because you know the Bible says God says don't serve two masters, and when it says two masters it's not talking about the devil, it's talking about money because people don't want to serve the devil but people serve money. There are things you wouldn't do anything for the devil but you will kill for money, you will do all weird things for money, you understand? Yeah. So you outside like about Didi. Look, Didi una just chelete anything. Mara khona o tsa dilo tsa banna a display ho yena. Like once you've fucked every girl, dog.
Yeah.
Pussy gets boring, dog. Let me fuck this nigga.
Now I don't believe it.
Dog, you fucked Naomi Campbell. You fucked bafana
ba ba tšhelete choose a so re loje ba dia gore ba rata mpia wa bo batho ba ba joinile loje le reng braga dia ba demand wa bo dia ba gore dia ba gapeletse gore ba die loje di so braga wa bo wa bona jima shego buila o botso re ke tswa Nigeria go dia ga what wa bo o sacrifice e jore wena o tlo ja banna wena bophelo bao wa bo Nampiaga man.
Happen, most of the people but one cocaine, like rich and famous people, there was a girl involved. Not just she just decided one day you find the hottest, whatever. Beyonce straight. Better. I tell us bonong. I better share a line from my ass. Share a line from my ass.
First time.
Get the life of the party. Yeah.
You born about you won't get addicted. Just don't do it tomorrow. Jump aside a week at least. I don't know how to tell.
Jiggy schedule. I want bo Brenda fast boss.
And the first time
That's it to the part.
First time I was working for air.
Yeah. You kiss me, you marry me. Nigerian Togolosh.
Nampiaga bo now as much as Namutulo rong wabo Muditsubi ke kgonno jwa braga. Nna di drug ga ke tshepe gore into lo reng ke tla like nga tsena go yona or ditsubi nga boela go tsona bo. Phela no le habla ke tsubi le chufu ya chufu. Anything that has to do with smoke. I tseni mo mmeleng wa ga bo. And I get to why wabo
impepho nix.
Next. Dino ba dingana logic asilo jaga bo shit ne dlozi lam liphikisana nalezi zinto.
Mama consulta ucela la imana ngashisa impepho.
Consult mina thami ngumuntu we church.
The church, yipi church.
Nge-Z mina ngumzithi.
Z.
Yeah, ZCC.
Shut up.
Angitshela.
Shut up.
So kahle shuthi ngiyala idlozi lami lengifuna ngiyekhona. Kahle mangati idlozi ngelo stab yabo. Lingelo ila ka mo lenya gore ke gona yabo. Ali ndumelo re ke be ka ra tlhakatlhakano mpiaga yabo. Ditsubi ke dizamile dimpaleji that's why ke tshwe. Because angitshela akusinto zami shuthi nanoma ngizalwa nje bavela bangibeka bathi wena lezi zinto akusezakho wena ula angitshela. Yeah.
I was from Smuva, Mpiaga.
Yeah.
From Smuva to Varsity, Alexander.
Ape
La chuzilo cheka kufela tsamaisan le drugs.
Mina wena o survive.
Mpiaga. Phela na asori survival yaga ebe ile gapelejo mpiaga be ile force tabo. Ape lori go tsuba mpiaga nga go botsa rena ke thumile le sa tsuba jwang mpiaga ka se tshepe. Nna ne ke tsuba ke lo tse go tsena to the point e lore ndi angkudisa. Wa yabo? Asinna ke rile ka re ke decide o lesi. Ke tsona din rejected body are no more. Ke sharp no. Abo every time angibhema man ngishawa imikhanda.
Ejathi kunjani nje? Kunjani ejathi soft. Angiyazi kazi feli kune cheese boy yasemkhukhwini.
I mean now I'm shooting ngathini. Kwam asikho grand and asikho like angithola si middle class. Yeah, middle class yabo ngikhule grand.
Hood rich.
Gore
kavela bokhona ukuthola. Angisho ubonayo mara bokhona ukuthola.
Uma paloniana be.
Ngithola ole lamfetweni.
Bongaphathi esikoleni ngesikhafutina serama. Isikhafutina serama. Nepotlela le sunlight ezijuice.
Ube asifuna bengicarry imali. Ngithola imali, ngithola from endlini, ngithola ole lamvele ngibhekela nasema tripini vele ngigaya imali ngithola. So
you cut from the same cloth, no Swiss.
Yeah, kahle.
No, you cut from the same cloth. Like you. No, guys, why do people get offended if they? It's like, but cheese boy. I mean, a cheese boy is supposed to be a good thing. No. I'm saying people get offended when you.
Cut from the same cloth. I understand.
No, I'm saying are sharp? Are they not rich? They were able to. The parents made provision. Yeah, Polono Tlaija, I was just getting. I'm not going to cheese boy. Yeah.
Up and down when I choose again.
Yeah.
You know what school I want to assist man who I would mail. I want to hold it to with the Versailles with the Prada. I know that
what's it? Redovetadi Lancos.
I want to check the quality of low much kilo ring at choose. Lawyer and Muzia, lawyer and I choose coffee. I want to try to room with eyes. The battle ring of us so well a Bradford Minagel.
Yeah.
Most jabber one about what you so well. I saw what you were whenever Banya Bradford Minigi. But
at the same time, everybody is like, Ushaba snacks are cheese boy.
What's the concept of cheese boy? The reason why Rukwatisha Gorman Untiagar like Kina mama's baby ntse ka re ke soft man.
No, get o kombang. I sing when about kombang. Get o kombang. Then I will share snacks with
Then no, ana cheese boy je ba reng ke cheese boy ke jona di beng rough one. Ke tsona di patang corruption.
10 years in prison. 10 years in prison.
Ba thadi kwa bo ke di Syria. Ke di stole tja mafelelo, di house braga di yini hijacking what fraud di bathadi.
Yeah.
Angra bona ba soft phela ba tswa fa ke bra family. Ha ka lahla set ba betha yi. Ba tswa fa bona vela a ila ro ku ka stay na ka eng. Yana we ncanye lo relax. Ha o ka lahla sai. Oh shit.
Okay, just wrapping it up, dog. Like, not personally, dog.
Yeah.
I'd like to tell you, Gucci, dog. Like the way I say, Gucci, to make it,
Yeah.
you need. Sometimes it's just luck, dog. I don't know if I should say luck or blessing. You have to be the chosen one, dog.
Yeah.
You have to be the chosen one. Like, imagine how. Like, let me make an example. Studio Savi. How many niggas have recorded in front of that mic? Yeah, maybe hundreds. Yeah, throughout the years. But now the question is, out of hundreds of those niggas, how many success stories do we know? We could just say maybe one. Z, Numalo, and a talent. Like sometimes V works with a talent for 3 years, same talent aba give up alona ibona uramfana livile nabona uramfana kana walesa lwena hayi hayi yabona. So I'm saying ukuthi hey dog, there's no way you can throw a dice 100 times usabethi 6
Straight.
yabo. But how come it's like dog, like how many, like on my phone book, dog, how many millionaires do I know? I know hundreds of niggas, but mutu only millionaire is because mutu ke mucavile sali millionaire kaba connection yena cause he's a millionaire. Not somebody worry this person I've known him, he became in front of me. Pilaka, so you understand. So what I'm saying is, yo bruh, nah, I'm gonna support you however, dog. I'm gonna pray and I'm gonna bet to good to know that nigga should make it, so that cause maybe little not can maybe bakar jigela Swiss maybe bakar jigela yeah no so what I'm saying is this, like mina grand the niggas know you cause you dope, the niggas will follow you cause you dope. Now I follow you because there's a buzz already. I know you cause the reason why you here is because of the following, because of the support, because of whatever. So I hope that shit grows. So even Lip Brand, when they want to work with you, they don't work with you because you have a nice song, but they want to work with you because you're big. You understand? You've reached the first level of big. Yeah. Now you here because you're somebody. You here because you're big. The next interview, maybe King Salah. The next one, Sweezy. Only because they're big, not because they have nice songs or anything like that. You understand? Because now I'm trying to build a platform and whatnot, get nigga stories out there. You understand? So I pray you don't lose steam. You stay focused. Don't lose your drive. Don't lose your ambition. Keep to the mission. Put God first, dog. Yeah. Like, dog, you gotta be at least one nigga that we like, okay, nah, this nigga's from the hood, this nigga whatever. Sure. You understand? Yeah, dog. Sweezy.
Happiness patha ke thomile mo tseba ka ke botsa ke mfana go no munyane so re wena o ka rapa phala spatha ke re a ke re na ka mo tsebe braya ena ke morao ana ka re ma 2022 bona go ma 2023 I'm not mistaken am ka rapa phala spatha wa ke re a ra khone ai khone ke thoma ba dlala ba no first ba dlala ditreke tsa yintse go re tse ya betha live quality of music I tshwane le ya like no so because back then I got tribal and stuff was the bedroom studio and stuff so mara lyric ke lyric mtefe ya dula ka mo lyric and I got styling ka mo pella go start go le kana 10 actually yeah uno magala ke ntse ke mmotsa gona le track e se o bethile lyric e so and o tse ke mmotsa ka track different kaofela so uno ke share how dama no le laga ayabo
So in closing, Doug,
Yeah.
what promises do you make to yourself? Just 3. Just say this is the young you talking to the grown rich or whatever you, the future you, which listen, I promise I'll do this. I promise I won't do this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work, whatever. What are the 3 promises you're making to yourself?
Yeah. No so wa tsare ke tlo e bia bia brag. No so ya ke bia kana mgo e bolela as if ke bolela le spathaola o lo rong already tse no sharp abo. Wa chibile lo tsheka mo kana nja di wisha abo. No, dog, I promise to myself to never switch up whenever I'm there, wabo. To never switch up on my day ones, wabo. Manega lo renga mpushi ja nthushi jwa re ke fihle ku wabo. Ke ska ba switch up le bona ke ba support ka mogolo re ba nsupportile wabo. Ke ska switch up mpiaka ke di promise tse lo reng ke rile ka re ke tlo di dia for all di aga le bana ba go mtseng, wabo. Ke di phethagate ka mogolo reng vele ke mandate lo reng tshwantse go phethe mo lefase wabo. Maybe that's why modima di jore ke belega ga rena o tshwantse ke change home situation ya bana ba le ba kwa go nna bo le di aga bo and ke ntwe le reng ke lo idia babo le yona yo ya promise gore ke tlo idia bra and lo reng ke tlo phila ke beile modimo pele bra babo always bra babo because nna braga go bodi je ga ra consult ke direng ntwe ngwe lengwe ke nya ka nke gopela ka thapelo babo and ntwe le reng e tlile go nna ka thapelo ke tlo tswela pele ke maintain ka thapelo wabo so ke yona e le reng ke setlhare se ke se tsebang thapelo bra ke yona ntwe le reng e tlo ntwetsa pele ke yona ntwe le reng e tlo protector na go gollenyana ka time wabo ke mozitha ka mangwalo a ya teng khotso
le o e bethile babane a tshisibi ke gona next line e bere next line e bere ke mozitha ka mangwalo
a ya teng khotso ba tlo scrolla ba commenta di TikTok ka time
Abafethu, big ass podcast with Archie, Spate, check him out. We had a dope chop. And check out the rest of the episodes and check out the following episodes. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.
Yes, sure.
Oh my God.